Hey YouTube, welcome or welcome back. With the Rio de Janeiro and Madeira carnivals coming up, this month's series is all about carnival makeup. Today we're creating a lime green, turquoise and blue eye look with a pop of purple with an added bold winged liner. Stay tuned until the end for more shots of the completed look. I've completed one eye to show you how it will look, so let's get started on the other one. To begin, I'll use the white shade from this Revolution palette, applying it under the brow with a short brush. First, apply some tape from the lower lash line to create a sharp edge for the eyeshadow. Start by using a lime green shade with an eyeshadow brush, using a swiping motion initially, then blend it into the white with a buffing motion. Next, take a turquoise shade and blend it into the lime green using a swiping motion, extending the colour up the tape. Now using a light blue shade from this MAC palette and a slim brush, apply it into the crease with a swiping motion, blending upwards into the lime green. Use a buffing motion on the outer corner towards the tape. With the same brush, apply a dark blue shade to the outer corner and crease to add depth. Now take the turquoise shade again with a flat brush and apply it across the lid. Layer a turquoise blue glitter eyeshadow on top using another flat brush. Next, using a liquid liner to create a wing along the tape, soften the top of the wing liner with a short angle brush and black eyeshadow, then you can remove the tape. Using a pencil brush, apply a purple shade under the lower lash line. Line the waterline with black eyeliner and blend it in with black eyeshadow for added depth using a short brush. You can then apply a sparkly silver eyeshadow to the inner corner of the eyes with a liner brush for the highlight. Complete the eyes with mascara and false lashes. For the face, I'll contour the cheeks with a large brush and a fan brush for precision on the nose. Apply blush to the cheeks and a highlighter above the cheeks and nose for a radiant finish. I'll finish the look by lining my lips with MAC's Nightingale lip liner and applying MAC's Foiled Rose lipstick and then adding a touch of gloss over the top. So that's it for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, show some love by giving that like button a hug and subscribing to my channel. Please share my content to help spread the word and reach anyone who might benefit from these tutorials and who may want to do a collaboration. Follow me on Instagram for more looks and reels and DM me with any questions. I really appreciate your support. Thanks for hanging out. Stay awesome and I'll see you in the next one.